You're going to brush your teeth. Okay.
Who are you again?
Dentist.
You're the dentist? What are you doing right now?
I'm washing out the toothpaste from his mouth.
Okay.
Okay, I'm looking at his incisors, okay?
Okie doke. How do they look?
Good. Get a horse. Dad, we need to give him he needs a little shot.
Okay. How are you going to administer your shot?
Well, a dentist has lots of tools, right?
Right.
You know, dentists sometimes give you a shot if you have a cavity. They sometimes can do that.
I guess so. That's why you don't want to get cavities, do you?
Because you don't want to find out, don't you?
That's right.
I know shots really hurt.
It's true, though.